Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is creative because it contains very beautiful, simple, easy and attractive and top demanding color combination of floral patterns for you. The ones who are in search of hand embroidery patterns, floral, beautiful and creative hand embroidery designs, and they are an absolute need of designing their bed sheets, pillow covers, cushions, quilt covers, tablecloths and other type of home decor accessories. Then friends, this video collection is absolutely for you. This sticker like embroidery is a beautiful, delicate and decent trend that is now being followed in almost every region of the world. All the designs are highly inspired from different traditional embroidery patterns like Indian embroidery, like Chinese embroidery, like Korean embroidery, like Bangladeshi touch of embroidery, like Turkish style embroidery. You can also design your tablecloths and along with the other patterns like for cover of your glasses, for cover for your mugs, table jugs as well. Even you can make these very beautiful floral patterns on fashionable accessories, like you can make these floral patterns to design the cover of your glasses, to design the mobile cases that are trendy and look creative. So different patterns and perspectives have been shown. You can also use these very beautiful floral patterns of hand embroidery for making a borderline embroidery pattern onto your dresses as well. So different dimensions and different creativity have been used, but the basic purpose and the basic usage of these very beautiful, delicate and decent embroidery patterns is for tablecloth, for bath towels, for the designing of your dining table, for designing your bedroom tables, for designing your everyday basic dining table food items, covers for your bed sheets, quilt cover, pillow covers, cushion covers, and many more creativities as per your choices, because the embroidery patterns are decent and you can use whichever thread you want to use. Like you can use anchor, DMC, silky threads, even sewing thread, even wool, even you can use ribbon, silk ribbon for making these beautiful patterns of flowers. I hope that you have liked my ideas. You can also make more enhanced and creative and more attractive these patterns of embroidery for making your tablecloth more attractive by using some laces. Even you can use the art of crochet for making the borders more pretty and attractive. So these were my suggestions and ideas to you. I hope that you will follow these and stay tuned for the more upcoming new videos. Up till then, take care friends, and all of the designs are beginner friendly, so hand embroidery artists and hand embroidery beginners could freely design these patterns and can create a hand art of their own.